Hi, I'm Mark Huey, General Manager responsible for the Port Hope Area Initiative. This has been a year of changes in the world, some welcome and others not what we expected. However, with spring finally here and pandemic restrictions being eased, we are excited to make some changes that we consider to be positive as we continue the cleanup of historic low-level radioactive waste in Port Hope. With safety as our core value, we implemented a very careful return to in-office work during the phases of the pandemic, and now we are pleased to say that our offices have been open to the public for the past couple of months. While we will continue to offer virtual meetings as an option, residents and other members of the public are welcome to drop into our office at 25 Henderson for more information about our projects. Owners who have questions about their specific property are asked to call or email to schedule an appointment so we can have the information you need on hand to better serve you. I am also pleased to have Mitch Conan move into the role of Deputy General Manager. He will help provide high-level focus on specific areas of the project. Mitch's years of experience on the PHAI makes him a unique and great choice to bring this level of support. Mitch?
Thanks, Mark. I am excited to join you in the GM's office and as we make a difference in the community. The PHAI is an intricate cleanup. Specialized work is complex work, and work on PHAI sites is significantly different from typical residential construction. PHAI work requires more layers of oversight, including radiation protection and environmental monitoring. Our own staff conduct ongoing contractor oversight at all PHAI sites, and the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission conducts both routine and spot inspections of PHAI work frequently. We will continue to work together as efficiently as we can to complete this project. The goal is to leave a legacy of which we can all be proud of.
I know that PHAI cleanup work may be affecting you more than expected. Your view may be impacted by PHAI construction in the community, or you may be experiencing a lengthy cleanup on your own property. While our CNL team has made progress, especially on the larger cleanup sites, we have also had challenges. Work in residential areas has not always proceeded as planned, and I know this has been frustrating to residents, and it's frustrating to us as well. I want to assure you we are striving to improve every day. Ensuring all activities are done safely and compliantly can take extra time, but this is necessary for the protection of people and the environment. We have heard your concerns about delays and about the unintended effects of the cleanup on Port Hope's heavily treed areas. We are working to address both these issues by requesting a change to the PHAI cleanup criteria. At this time, however, based on the timeliness of this process, we expect that a commission hearing to review the application and make a decision will not happen before 2023. We will, however, participate in a hearing in November of this year to renew our license, which will expire this year. I encourage anyone with interest to provide feedback to CNL or directly to the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission. You can find more information about this on our website, phai.ca. We will also be hosting an information session to provide more details about PHAI activities. Stay tuned for this as well. It will continue to be very busy for CNL as we carry on the cleanup at the request of the community and on behalf of the Government of Canada. Residents will continue to see project activities underway at various locations across town where CNL and our contractors have been actively working to clean up and restore properties, all while following strict protocols for safety, including specific measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19. We have made significant progress cleaning up the Pine Street North Consolidation site in the Highland Drive area and a number of sites along Port Hope's waterfront. We continue to dredge contaminated sediment from the harbor despite some of the challenges of the icy weather this past winter. These projects are moving forward toward the ultimate goal of returning a clean waterfront to the municipality for the enjoyment of the community for years to come. You can expect to see work at the Waterworks West site on the West Beach and at the industrial sites at the Kimitron Lagoon and Lions Park this year.
The testing and cleanup of private properties is the most complex and lengthy part of PHAI work. We have received questions from residents about how the proposal to change the PHAI cleanup criteria will impact their own properties. And many people have told us that they would prefer to wait until a decision on the proposal is reached before participating in a cleanup, recognizing the overall impact would be less. We are trying our best to accommodate this position.
Thank you, Mitch. For those properties at which work is underway, we want to remind you that our work involves discovery, where new information can come to light at any time. This process is central to the safe completion of the work. Discoveries such as structural or safety issues, substances that need special handling, or additional impacts on structures and trees during construction may lengthen the timeline for work on your property. We encourage you to enjoy your property while you are waiting on a cleanup. Go ahead and complete your own projects. Do renovations, plant a garden, complete landscaping. CNL will work with you to ensure that contaminated material is removed from your project area as needed at no additional cost to you. If you plan to list your house for sale, request a radiological status letter or RSL from CNL. The RSL is a summary of all property testing completed to date and includes important information that CNL staff can help explain to prospective buyers. If CNL has reviewed the cleanup design for your property with you, you've signed a remediation and restoration agreement, and you've been invited to attend a PHAI neighborhood information session. These are all signs that you are next in the cleanup phase. I want to thank you for your patience as we complete this work in the community. As always, if you have any questions or if you would like more information about the PHAI, contact us by phone or email. Thank you again for your continued patience. Stay tuned for additional updates, and please stay safe.